What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and I've decided I'm just not gonna stop working on this thing and just might as well see it through, and maybe I'll sleep sometime tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do today is well, in this video is technically not the same day because it's 4 a.m. but yeah, so what I have to do, I have to put the downpipe on, have to connect the rest of the exhaust, plug in my sensors, charge piping. There's some leaves in this charge piping here, so I have to fish those out. That was actually just one, but whatever. Then I have to tighten that right there. There's one, actually I think I already I tightened that one. This one needs a clamp, so I need to put a clamp on that. And there's another one down there that I believe needs a clamp. I'm not 100% sure on that. Actually, no, it's just that one. Okay, cool. So that, what else do I need to do here? Just trying to brainstorm, kind of remind myself here. So my alternator and power steering pump have to go back on. And just as I suspected, I thought about this a while ago when I was editing. I was like, I don't think I plugged in my air intake temp sensor when I started it. That could explain some of the popping. There we go. That's plugged in. So yeah, basically I just gotta get the exhaust on. I gotta bolt that little subframe mid thingy on there. Alternator, power steering. This has to come back out to put the downpipe on. Go me. Yeah. Also, my my like fan switch thing broke at some point. Me taking the head off or something. So that's okay because my fans are on my dash, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's basically what I have to do. And my goal, also I obviously have to put the axles back in and, you know, bolt the suspension back up and get this thing moving forward because yeah, it's been too long and I'm really excited to get this thing going. And I have a lot of motivation right now to the point where I was like, Nabil gets out of work at like 3 and I was like, nah dude, I'm just gonna work on my shit. So yeah, let's get fucking started. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so things I got done. All right, things I freaking got done. Things I got done. The exhaust is on. Both O2 sensors, meaning my stock one and my wideband, both connected. Obviously the 3-bolt exhaust flange connected, turbo flange connected. This I had to take off and put back on. Alternator, power steering pump, tighten, belt, charge piping onto the turbo itself. That wasn't on, put that on. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna open this back up and I didn't need to do that, but it's just a nice feeling to know that I can close the hood knowing everything under the hood is done besides power steering fluid and trans fluid. Why? Alright, well I guess there's nothing else to do but let it warm up. Probably wasn't starting it because, you know, it's cold as shit out and this thing hasn't even been tuned in the cold or on early in the cold. Yeah. Let's let this thing warm up and see how it does. Hopefully everything's okay. I already had a scare and I did not like that. I forgot to tighten my harmonic balancer bolt, like the main bolt, and it scared the shit out of me because I heard knock and I was like, and then I shut it off. I ran up and I saw my belts were loose, so yeah, but she's running. leave this coolant, let this thing warm up, and take it for a drive. Alright, let's take this thing for a mild drive. Need a new oil gauge. If you guys have any recommendations, let your boy know. Response feels good. Everything feels all right. A little scraping. Something's rattling. I think my freaking hood prop fell off. Nope, I just drank all my damn power steering fluid that I just put in. I did leak all of it out, so I'm gonna try to be easy on the steering and go put some more in right quick. Continue this test drive. Alright, I put the rest of my power steering fluid in there. I don't think it's like quite enough, but it's not making any noise. But we're idling at 1,000. We're a little bit rich, so we're gonna have to wait for Ronnie to tune this thing, because I don't really want to drive it home like this, but I will drive it somewhere and get some more power steering fluid just as a little test drive. I just want you guys to look at where this boosts. Like 3,000 is at a full 6 PSI, so pretty fucking sweet. I'm not gonna beat on it. Like I said, that's 3,000. I'm not taking it above 3,000 until we're tuned, boys. I don't know if you guys saw that, but here. Put it in third gear. How was it? I mean, it drives. Need to tune it. And I went to AutoZone. They were closed, and they let me in anyway. And then they just kind of gave me the hose clamps and the power steering fluid, even though the power steering fluid probably already leaked out. Now I have the hose clamps to fix it. So shout out to AutoZone. Oh yeah, look at that. That's my power steering fluid right there. Yeah, that shit's leaking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good shit. Right there, came back.
Literally, Don just got back from Colorado. He hasn't stopped talking about Colorado. He fucks with Colorado. Does not like the state of Connecticut. But again, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll just leave that part in. But homies at AutoZone gave me some clamps because they were closed and they couldn't use their register, so they were just like, yeah, just take it. Yeah, you just fucking try to drink my Baja Blast, dude.
I took a sip, dude.
Yeah, you tried to take a sip. But
yeah, all I got was
yeah, I cracked the straw getting out of my car. But that little T-fitting there, that line there needs to be tightened more because my power steering fluid keeps like slowly leaking out, and I probably need like a quart more of oil for this thing. But other than that, no leaks, no overheating. Obviously, it's cold as shit out. Yeah. It doesn't run that good, but it runs and drives. Not too alarming AFRs, so I guess tomorrow we'll do some tuning on this, and yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna film the tuning, but I'll try. Head mount GoPro, I don't know. Sweet. Drop a fucking like. Alright? Your boy got his shit running and driving in like 3 days at the shop. So we fucking out here. First full built engine that I've done. I've never taken the crank out of an engine and had it start. No, I did my KX100. That's different though. Alright, well that's it for the freaking video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Fucking peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this, that.